If your Steam Game Store page isn't approved yet, follow these steps to get ready and approve quickly. First, log into Steamworks and open your game's dashboard. Go to Store Presence, Store Page, and review the release checklist. Steam will not approve a store page if any required fields are incomplete, such as descriptions, screenshots, or capsule images. Next, check all uploaded assets. Make sure images meet the correct size and format requirements. Verify that the short and long descriptions are filled. Confirm that pricing and content ratings are selected. Missing or incorrect information is the most common reason for disapproval. After fixing any issues, save changes and resubmit the store page for review. Refresh the dashboard after a few minutes to confirm the page is submitted. If it's still not approved after a reasonable time, contact Steam support with your app ID and screenshots of the completed checklist. That's how to fix a Steam game store page that's not approved.